Hey everyone, this is Ed Kiefer again, bringing you another Luxe highlight. Going to talk to you about our 17.5 H-rated Nitro fill tires. What we get here is, these are used by NASCAR, the Space Shuttle, military and commercial aircraft, and the Tour de France. You're going to get a nice ride, a little bit more gas mileage. It's a dry gas, so there's no moisture in it. You don't have any moisture that's going to wear the inside of the tire. And there are many tire stations, truck stops, that you can refill if you need to. But know this, you're not going to get a lot of leakage with the Nitro filled like you do regular air. So hey, give us a call, 844-284-6678. Get us on the web at Luxe Fifth Wheel and ask us about our Nitro filled tires. These are H-rated, 17.5 Nitro filled tires. Have a great day.